Summer is right around the corner and I have 5 amazing sublimation projects you can make for summer. All of these are super easy that you can make literally today, and I can't wait to show you the step by step. Before we get started, I want to share that all of the sublimation supplies and equipment that I am using for this video are from Pro World. I highly recommend the company. They have a wide variety of different sublimation items as well as the best equipment you can get for your sublimation business. So let's go ahead and get started.
The first project I'm going to walk you through is this garden flag.
So for the garden flag, I decided to make it real easy on myself and create a 13 by 19 canvas, and I'm going to use a garden flag design from North 80. You could obviously design one yourself, but I love her florals and I thought this would be perfect for a garden sign, and it's already the right size. So what I'm going to do is just put this in my document and print it to my Sawgrass printer. Now this is a 13 by 19, so I do need my Sawgrass SG-1000 that has the bypass tray to be able to print on a larger piece of paper.
Once you have it printed, you're just going to apply the flag right over that design and tape it in place so you don't get any ghosting. Then you'll want to use some butcher paper, and you want your press, if possible, to be big enough. I'm using a 16 by 20 press, which makes this really easy, and I press at 400 degrees for 40 seconds. Then you will put this on the flag pole that is sold separately, and you can put it right outside. And you can customize it any way you want. Next, I want to show you how to make a custom bag tag, something like this on a backpack for summer camp, or you can use it as a luggage tag.
So I'm just going to talk through this pretty quickly, but if you want a more in-depth video about how you can add patterns to shapes in Adobe Illustrator, let me know in the comments. So I need to start with a rectangle that is the same size as my blank. I've got 2.75 by 4, and that is the actual size of my bag tag. I'm actually going to make it just a teeny tiny bit bigger, so when I print it, it's just a little bit bigger. I am going to go to File, Place. I'm going to add in the digital paper that I want to use. I got this from North 80. And before you do anything, you really do want it to kind of be of similar size that you want when you add it in. So once I kind of get it, I want it a little bit, I don't know, like smaller than it was, but not too small. And I'm going to click on it, press embed up in the top left here. And then I'm going to open my swatches panel. So you can do that by going to Window and Swatches. And I'm going to drag it into the swatch panel. Now when I click on the rectangle and click on that exact pattern, it's going to fill with the pattern that I just had. And now I'm going to personalize this with the name that I want to use.
So like I said, you can add a background into a shape in Silhouette Studio really easily as well. To make the name stand out, I chose to create an offset, and I made the offset white. And then I wanted to add a stroke to the offset just to make it pop a little bit more. I printed these and I was able to add them to my blanks. I put them on some butcher paper and then I taped the design to the bag tag blank. Make sure that it is straight and not crooked. And you're going to, I always tape them so the paper is on the bottom, but when you go to press them, you want to make sure that you turn them over and that the sublimation paper is facing up so it is closest to the heat source. I'm folding over the tape just so it doesn't stick, and I sandwich my blanks in the butcher paper and press it for 60 seconds at 400 degrees. You'll want to use a heat glove to make sure when you're handling your sublimation blanks that they are not burning your hands. I'm using a little plastic bag tag thing that I looped around the hole in the bag tag, and then I looped around the strap on the backpack. They sell various different versions of these, and you have a really cute bag tag for camp or for even a trip. And there are so many different ways to customize. Next up, we have our can koozie, can hugger, whatever you want to call it, which is obviously perfect for summer. These are so simple to make. I, again, used butcher paper. I printed my design. It was about 3-ish inches. I do wish I would have made the design just a little bit bigger, but that's okay. You'll see at the end. And I'm going to tape it to the koozie and put it in my press. Again, I am sandwiching these in butcher paper, and I'm going to press it for 400 degrees for 30 seconds. The one thing you have to remember with the koozies is sometimes they get a little bit of an indent. You'll see the line as I peel away my paper. So what I did was re-sandwich and press it down for literally like 5 seconds to help get rid of that line. And you have super cute koozies for beer or even bubbly, whatever you prefer in your summer months. Now I want to show you how to make a water bottle. I am literally obsessed with all things sublimation drinkware, but this is so super easy. I printed my design and taped it to my water bottle. You'll want to measure the exact water bottle that you're using. Again, you want to measure your exact water bottle with your exact design, but mine starts usually at about 3 inches wide. I'm going to use my Trans Pro Plus mug press, also from Pro World, for 75 seconds at 375 degrees. I did turn this one just a little bit halfway through to just get that perfect print on my water bottle. I do let it cool off before I peel the paper. It's just a little bit easier to handle, and you just always get this perfect image with this combo of sawgrass and my mug press. Last but certainly not least is this super cute headband. Now this is the wide yoga size, and in Adobe Illustrator, just like I showed you before, I did a 4.75 by 9 rectangle with this pattern I also got from North 80. I did pre-press the headband just to make sure it was nice and flat before I added on the paper. Again, you want to do it nice and straight and tape it as much as you can, doing your best to keep in mind where your design ends on both edges, because if you can, you want it to line up and look as seamless as possible. So I am going to fold over my tape and press this actually on a pressing pillow this time. I've done apparel things before, and the pressing pillow really helps. And I'm going for 35 seconds at 400 degrees. And I'm going to then do the other side. So basically you're going to flip it over from left to right, and you're going to put it on the back. And you want to try to line it up the best that you can so your design looks as seamless as possible. Once again, you're just going to tape it and press it again for 400 degrees at 35 seconds. And when you are done, you get like literally the cutest headband I've ever seen. They do have a skinnier size, a thinner one on their website as well. But once you are done, you have these vibrant, amazing colors, especially using the Sawgrass printer. So these are 5 really fun ideas for you to try, perfect from any level, beginner to advanced. All of the materials are linked under this video, and I'm going to put a video up on your screen if you want to learn more about getting started with sublimation printing.